Hey, Engine Joe here for Powertrain Company. We talk a lot about trucks, Ford trucks. I like for you people to understand that we don't just read about trucks or sell truck engines. We actually know about trucks. And we sell engines and transmissions for trucks like this. This is the kind of truck our customers drive. They drive trucks that are work trucks. They drive trucks that are take kids back and forth to school. They drive trucks that are on the farm, in the oil field, in the city. Trucks like this, not the shiny 2018 King Ranch trucks that we like to go look and show pictures of, but real trucks like this. Matter of fact, this poor truck's got over 300,000 miles on it. We're probably going to put a Powertrain Company engine in it pretty daggum shortly. The point is, at Powertrain Company, we do understand what our customers' needs are. We know a little bit about the Ford trucks we sell engines for. We've talked to you about the 5.43 valve, the 4.6 Romeos. We've done a bunch of technical stuff on Ford trucks for you about the parts that are used, the high volume oil pumps and all this kind of stuff. And that's great information for you all. It really is. It's nice for you to know that we know that stuff. I think it's more important for you to know that the people at Powertrain Company know trucks. Again, we drive trucks just like you do. We understand that you need your truck back on the road. We understand at Powertrain Company that's the everyday average truck that needs the transmission put in it, needs an engine put in it. And that's what we're here to help you with. So when you need a Ford truck engine, a Ford truck transmission, Powertrain Company are the folks, trust me, that's who you want to call. We want to walk you through it, show you the respect you deserve, ask you the right questions, get the right product to fit your need in a replacement engine. That's Powertrain Company. We've got the best people, the best products, and quite frankly, I'm pretty proud of it. It's Engine Joe, thank you, for Powertrain Company.